Hey my dudes, what's going on? It's Mr. Crayfish and welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I'm late. Everybody in the chat 1 second late. He's late! Literally, you guys go off 1 second late. Oh my god. Well, welcome back, guys. I see you guys all in the chat here. Welcome. I see you, Jackson Plays. We got Bloxy Way, we got Fabby50, SB Jones, Victor, we got Noah G, Black Foggy, Creeper Goes Gaming. Thank you guys for joining in the live stream today. I see you there, Zoe. Hey, what up, Zoe? Tyra. Welcome back to my sponsors, welcome back to our regulars, welcome back to everybody. Thank you for coming to this live stream today. Now, I know I didn't live stream yesterday, so today I'm going to be live streaming 3 hours for you guys. 3 hours for you guys today. So can we get some hype in the chat right now? It's going to be a big live stream today. But what I want to do today is actually prepare for, 0.2.0 release. Because like I keep doing this pre 7, pre 8, pre 9. I actually want to have like a 0.2.0. I actually want to have like a release. I don't want to keep doing these pre's, because really, like, I shouldn't be adding features to pre's. It should really just be like a, an early release before, and fix up some bugs. So we're gonna avoid adding features to it. The App Store's not gonna be coming in this update, just so you guys know. So if you're looking forward to it, don't yet, because it ain't gonna be up in this update yet. Sadly I was banned from the server for no reason. I read the chats, I read the warnings. There was not a no reason, there was warnings. Basically, how our server works is that you get 3 warnings, right? 3 warnings. No one actually types in, ban, blah blah blah. People just do warnings. If you get 3 of them, if you get 3 warnings, then it automatically bans you, or temporarily bans you. And then I'm not sure what happens after that. But I'm pretty sure it's only like 7 days or something like that. I think it's 7 days. I have to consult my moderators. But Brian, there were a lot of things you said last live stream not to do, and you did it exactly after. I'm not going to get into details. If you guys are going to watch that live stream, you can. Where is King Yoshi? I don't know where he is at the moment. I think he's probably asleep, because it's quite late for him. So hopefully this live stream's not too crazy at the moment. Remembers. Ocelot. I have school in the morning and it's 11:49. Monkey Star. You're a legend. You're a legend. Probably not your perm ban? Was it perm or temp? I thought it was a temporary ban. I'll have to look into that. I might have to leave in 2 hours. That's alright, Zoe. You're going to be here for most of the live stream anyway. But yeah, we're going to be preparing for a release today. Maybe there'll be some, small features that we'll be adding in, but nothing crazy. So if you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button, snap it right in half, and see how many likes we can go for this live stream today. I'm not sure what our goal will be. I don't think we're going to hit 100. Maybe let's go for like 70. Let's go for 70 today, guys. So if you're here right there, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. Let's go for 70 likes. And as well, turn on your bell notifications if you want to get notified every time that I go live, because I go live quite a lot. I go live every weekday, except for yesterday. Yesterday was an exception, but I've been saying a lot. On my live streams and Discords that things are going to be changing soon. Some people have speculated on what is happening. I don't want to announce it like officially yet, but things are changing soon. Also retweet the tweet for a shout out, people. Oh yeah, if you want that, thanks for reminding me of the Fabby50. If you guys want to get a shout out as well, in this live stream today. At the end, I always do shout outs. Now, how you get a shout out? Quite simple. Simply go to my Twitter. A link is in the description below. If you don't have Twitter, create a Twitter, because Twitter is where I post, updates about, if I'm live streaming or not. I post like the pictures of this, like pictures of what actually happens in these live streams, memes, and all that bunch of stuff. So I suggest you go create a Twitter, follow me on there, and then go ahead and retweet the latest tweet on there that says retweet for a shout out. Then I'll be shouting your name out at the end of this live stream today, my dudes. Woo! Alrighty, let's go ahead. Let's get into this now. Oh, alright. So I was actually working on, I don't think I'm going to do it now. Let's just go into app info. So basically I just made screenshots optional. I've also got to make sure that this is a get icon is JSON primitive. Just go do some checking it. I should really do it for all these as well, but because like you could create name as an object and then it was gonna like break basically. Get support as JSON object. I need to check if it's an actual object. There's so many checks I gotta do. I should really I'm gonna create like a utility class so I can actually do it a whole lot quicker, because there is one in Minecraft but it doesn't work how you would expect it to work, so I'm gonna have to do that myself. But let's just go ahead, made screenshots optional for app info. Alright, so we're not going to be working on applications. Oh no, we are going to be working on applications. Alright. So, because I actually need to pull, I need to pull the actual, that kind of core, that app info functionality to the actual latest update. It's not going to include the App Store. I'm going to be removing that. Well, just not registering the application when we actually release it, because it's not finished yet. But we're going to be like looking at some bugs today. Apparently this is a bug. I don't know how this became a bug, but apparently there's 2 lines. And like this should happen on the core. So we're going to check that out if it actually happens on the core here. Hello, is it me you're looking for? Hey Dynamite, what up, dude? Yeah, I was looking for you, dude. I was like, where the heck's Dynamite in his live stream today? Lies about his chair entities being dummies. Hey, I didn't lie. It's basically a useless entity. Because it does nothing but... It's invisible. The size of it is like 0. It literally only spawns when you're on the chair. It's just like a hack. It's a hack to make the player sit down. Alright, hold up, we have an issue. Alright, I'll just run this mode. Brian, if you keep asking, we're not gonna be letting you back on. We might let you back on. If you keep asking, we're not gonna let you back on. When I get rejected, I just think of funny stuff while I cry inside. What? Dude, that's me every time. That's me all the time. What are you talking about? I'm dead on the inside. Not really, but I'm dead on the inside. Well, you should be a sponsor. What? Sponsor. When are the lights released? I'm gonna release the lights with the next update. I'm gonna release the lights with the next update. So yeah, make sure you keep an eye out for that. I've also fixed up the collision boxes for chairs here. I'll have to pull that in to this branch in a minute here. Alright, so let's have a look. Because like, this is a weird bug that I feel like it's not a bug. It just doesn't feel like it's a bug to me. So I'm going to check this out. So apparently he had open, which was, you know, app CDM test. I don't know. You know, it doesn't happen to me. It does not happen to me. I don't know what's going on. Like this is it here. This is it here, right? Right. And then, unless he had two, well, don't think he has two applications open there. It's only one. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. It's never had a two bottom border. Did you guys have that problem at all? Have any of you guys had that problem? Have any of you guys, the developers using the device API, have you had that problem before? Like, I even swear, even, you know, if I load up, if I go file, open, where is it? Device API. When I go through now, open recent device API, new window. Ready to watch this. Alright, we'll close this off. This is actual that version, you know, pretty 6. Let's have a look if it's a thing. Since when were the whitelisting methods not compliant with the EULA? So basically there's a line in the EULA that says that if you're charging to get onto the server, it's going to be the same for everyone. You can't just have some people get on for free and some people have to pay. But like the thing is, like, okay, I don't know how to think about it. It wasn't. It basically wasn't. So I had to change it around. You know, we want to be EULA compliant. We don't want to break any rules. Oh god, hold up, music. All right. Hey Jay Crowley, how you doing? Welcome back to the live stream. I haven't seen you in a while. Probably saw you last live stream. Haven't seen you in a while. Alright, so let's go ahead. I know this is small. Whoops. Alright, let's grab a laptop. Ah! Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like, my first guess would have been like, maybe he had two applications open. Like, you could do something like this. Like that, but I don't think he had two applications open. So yeah, I'm quite confused on, you know, what actually happened there. I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened there. Whoa, that makes my, look at my face. I'm glowing. Oh god. Alright. Alrighty. So yeah, I'm not sure what that problem is. I'm just gonna mark it as not able to replicate. Oh, he posted like another one. Oh, it's Ocelot. Oh, yeah, Ocelot watching. Yeah. Ocelot, what's the problem with it? I can't replicate it at all. I literally cannot replicate it. It looks like something else is broken with yours. If you didn't notice that, look at here. There. What's going on there? It looks like you're using a modified version of the actual... Modified version of... It, oh no, actually, hold up. It might be a more deeper issue. I don't know how. Maybe it's your drivers? Because why? Okay, here. It's not only that. It's here. You have to spot the difference game right now. It's here. Here. My thought is it's a driver issue, graphics card issue. Because why is that drawing that? Because I specifically, you know, draw these in a way that I'm not sure if you guys are kind of like familiar with. I mean, I don't know. I could agree with that. So I'm not sure why that's showing up. I'll look into it because I can fix it up a little bit better, but yeah, I'm just not sure why that's actually doing it like that. Because like, if that's a problem with that, it's going to do it for buttons as well because they're dynamic too. So I'm not sure exactly, you know, what's going on. So let's close that off. And same here as well. That's got a big gap here too. It's got a big gap there. It shouldn't be that big. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Definitely a graphics issue, I reckon. But I'll look into it. I'll mark as potential. Graphics card issue. Potentially. Okay. We'll look into resolving. You already know what I'm doing. I just gotta write it down because potentially a graphics card issue. We'll look into resolving. I gotta be professional here. We have this weird bug where windows can be moved oddly. Not like a serious bug, but I'll show you guys right now on Livestream. It in full-fledged working. Alright, if I go ahead and run the game here. It's an interesting thing. Cray, what's the new update? Please tell me. It's going to be 0.2.0, the one that that's already been released. Just like a final version, finally. But it's going to include the new changes with applications, so you guys will have to update your applications to the new app info format that we've been working on. Because it's just better and allows you to, you know, specify. I mean, it's just better than what it was before. Alright, so let's go ahead and alright, so anything open doesn't matter too much. If you do this right, I think it's, how did it work again? And I click that. See, like this weird bug. I mean, yeah. So I'm pretty sure I know what that is. Alright. So it happened in here. So it should be here, mouse clicked. Okay, so that's why there. So dragging, right? So if the context is Alright, I might need to fix up my behavior of buttons, because buttons should only go through with their action if it's actually released, because that seems like what a lot of this is doing as well. See how I know you guys can't see that, but for instance, if I click on that, right, that doesn't show up until I actually release it. So I might have to fix up that issue. Cray, is it summer there in Australia? Yeah, it is at the moment. It's not actually hot today, good, which is good. Usually it's hot. Haven't even got my fan on, so that's kind of a good sign. I snap that like button right in half. I do suggest to click the post notification button, and I did press it because I love your videos. You're number one, especially the Christmas live stream. Cheers there, Seema. Is that how you say it? Seema. It's a kind message right there. Yeah, the Christmas stream was definitely fun. I liked decorating the house. You guys enjoyed it a lot. So yeah, I want to do more like live streams on my main channel. Because I feel like live streaming is really fun. Live streaming's fun because you get like real-time interaction with fans. So I definitely want to do a little bit more of that. Alright. But regardless, this bug should not happen, so we are going to... So, mouse move. So if context doesn't equal to null. Alright, so the bug is that context becomes null, but dragging happens anyway. So the thing is, we need a so the only way dragging becomes false is by releasing the mouse. So we need to fix up so dragging in a context. Yeah, I've got to allow that. Cray is Brian, you gotta be very careful, dude. You gotta be very careful, dude, Brian. I've given you so many chances. I got to go. It's 9 past midnight in Britain. Alright, dude, that's all good. Thanks for coming along, monkey. Moldcraft, can you make a world download to your mansion, please? Yeah, I might do one soon. Or I might even show you how to build the mansion. So get ready for that. How can we download this? So Lachlan, you can actually go... I haven't got the download link in the description, but if you go to CurseForge, if you know what CurseForge is, and just search up device mod. So I can even do it right now. See if it actually comes up. Let's see, hold up. Let's click on Minecraft. I don't know why CurseForge has like a billion different versions of the same website. Like, why? Why don't you just redirect everybody to, like, this is not even the right version of it. And unless this is their new version, which it looks like it is, because it's like even got, I don't know, that's not even it. See, like, there's Minecraft.curseforge, right? Look at this. Same website, different theme. Alright, ready, watch. Projects, mods. Same thing, different theme. Like, why, Curse? You're so weird. Device mod. So search that up. And it looks like a ton of people. Oh, someone released a calculator for it. Nice. And then yeah, you'll find it just here. Mr. Crayfish's device mod. Let's have a look at that calculator plus app. So if I go dependent, calculator plus. Oh, okay. So that's actually a cool little calculator there. That's cool. Tyrell plays. Lego Tyrell. Oh, that's what your name was before. Ah, that's cool. Nice work, dude. Alright, we're gonna change the behavior for buttons. So we need to go to API, app, component, button. So mouse, handle mouse release. So we're gonna have this here, right? Alright, I want to test out this behavior because I feel like it's going to be weird or something. So I'm leaving that there because I want the click sound to play when you actually press it. How does Minecraft buttons work? So that works. See, Minecraft buttons just work when you click it, which is weird. But a lot of buttons, like, see, like, I press the minimize there. It doesn't minimize straight away. You actually gotta, you know, click it. So I feel like, you know, maybe that's better behavior to do this. So let's reload the game here. Mr. Crayfish Gaming. Oh my god, someone's got my icon. I love Mr. Crayfish. I love Mr. Crayfish. I love Mr. Crayfish. Thank you, Mr. Crayfish. I don't know who you are. You should have your own personal username so I know who you are. I am back. I went out for dinner. Oh, SB Joe's all good. Cray, I'm going to Australia. Australia. I'm going to Australia. How do you create mods on Minecraft? You're asking a very difficult question there, my dude. You're gonna have to learn coding. You're gonna have to learn how to set up Forge. You're gonna have to learn Java. You're gonna have to learn to code first. Because I don't think you can get into Minecraft coding straight away. I did, but it's because I don't know. I felt like I was good enough to do. UI components. Alright, so let's test this out. Oh, let's see, I forgot to take away this one. We have to feel. It just feels weird. I can feel the delay. I can feel the delay. It hurts. It hurts. Alright. Maybe take this back. Let's figure out another solution. Let's figure out another solution to this, because that's one way, but it just feels weird. It felt weird. There's like a weird, awkward delay to it. Can I come in your Minecraft mansion world? I'm gonna be sure a lot of people want a building tutorial for my mansion, so probably gonna do one so you guys can all build it. Mr. Crayfish Dev, I refreshed the plane on the server, by the way. It's an actual plane now. Okay. Oh, it's an actual plane? I love every video you posted. You probably haven't even seen them, oh my dude. There's so many. There's over 800. I'm pretty sure. I think it's 800. Have you really seen them, oh? Hey, Mr. Crayfish is back at it with the mod developments. Hey, I always live stream on this channel. I always do mod development on my second channel. When did you start posting vids? I don't know, 2011, 2012? It was 2012. But I didn't really, you know, when I first started, I didn't really do it that much. I've changed the inside so it has more of a plain feel. Ah, okay. Mr. Crayfish, yeah, I just haven't had a lot of time lately to watch them, but I do now. Ah, okay, that's all good, dude. Herbie 50, you should really fix the icons not displaying properly. What's that one? For like there. What do you mean? So if you guys want to get shout outs in this live stream, go to my Twitter and retweet my latest tweet. That's the only place that I actually do a shout out. Retweet for a shout out. You don't get you don't get shout outs for free. I say that right now. You don't get shout outs for free. So the problem is that, you know, I click, right? Handle mouse click. So how's that work? Core taskbar. Tray item Wi-Fi. So when I click, right, so this is the part here where it closes. Button connect. Alright, so mouse button, close context. So it goes back to laptop. Fine. So context becomes null. Understandable. So we can do something like mouse click. So if context I will say dragging fill this context and that will equal to null. Alright, there we go. So that should fix it. Oh, already connected to it, hold up. Alrighty. Alright, hold up. We need to reload the game. We still got the old behavior. A gaming console is currently being added to my mod. Our release will hopefully be out soon. When it does, please check it out. Alright, we'll go check it out, dude. Can you do a gun mod live stream? A gun mod live stream? Yeah, I'll probably be doing one real soon. I'm supposed to do one a week, so maybe tomorrow's live stream will be a gun mod development stream. Can you add controllers to on a desktop too? Cray, I can't join the Discord. Please help me. I think you've been... Yeah, I'll have to consult moderators. Alright, so let's try this down. It still does it. What? Alright, let's try that again. Can't do that. So let's just go system out. Whoopsie. What? Alright, let's see. Why is that doing that? Oh, okay. Info. Dragging. Do something a little bit better. When could you add my add-on mod for your mod in the App Store? A banner was already made on CurseForge. Or the App Store is not going to be out in the next release because I'm going to wait off on that until it's actually properly finished. So, you know, I'll be putting add-ons on the Discord server real soon. And on the CurseForge page too, so that'll be a thing soon. I don't get that. Context, right? Context. Handle mouse click, right? And try item Wi-Fi, right? So actually click. Oh, okay. My bad. It's an asynchronous. It's asynchronous. Asynchronous. So this doesn't actually. It's asynchronous, so it doesn't actually do it. We could do this differently. I think I need to like make click listeners return if they were clicked successfully or not. But then I don't know. Well, I could make this a static value as well. Minecraft Doodle, what's up, dude? How you doing? Welcome to the live stream. When we release the gun mod? Not yet. I've still got a bit of stuff to work on it. But I want to release a version of it real soon. Because, like, okay. We've been in the talks of, you know, obviously we wanted to make our server EULA compliant, but I was thinking, like, what if we actually have, like, just 2 separate servers? I know, like, we've had talks and we're like 2 servers would be harder to manage. But, would it be harder to manage if I actually got some other people to help out type thing? You know? If we got some more people to help out type thing. So, like, I was thinking, like, actually having, like, a sponsors server, right? So you guys, whoever sponsors, will get basically a private server. It'd be EULA compliant because only sponsors could get on. And admins are an exception, I'm pretty sure. I'm sure they are. I mean, it wouldn't make sense if the owner of the server had to pay to get onto their own server. Or, like, you know, moderator, admin type thing. But basically on that sponsor server we would have the device mod, we'd have the device mod, the furniture mod, and the gun mod on it. It would be absolutely insane. It would be absolutely insane. So let me know if you guys would love to see that. If you got more admins to help out, I get to be a higher level of them because I don't want them trying to overrule me. Yeah, that can happen. Like, it's more so just we need moderators. We need moderators. Not really admins, we just need moderators. Because, like, it's not too difficult, you know, moderating or admin, like, you know, adminning 2 different servers, because more so you just have control over plugins. Like, all we need is what we've got on that other server onto this new one, and then we just need some more moderators, and that's pretty much it. So let me know if you guys would love to see that server, because it's going to be a sponsor-only server. But yeah, it's going to be cool, I reckon. It'd be cool. Somebody here. It's just parents making a banging noise outside. It's all good. I want to be a moderator. Just so, like, moderation tasks are big task. It's not like, don't do it just because you want to get the rank. Do it because you actually want to help out. You know, you've had potential experience in the past. So I'll have to figure out that maybe some moderation application you guys can submit, because we want people that are serious about it. And the chair emporium. And I'll have to... What happened to Cray's network shop? On the actual server, they reset all the devices and all the blocks. Just because there was lag. So they had to do that, unfortunately. I should use mcreator for mods. No! Do not use that. Do not use that, because if you have a problem on it, you're not going to be able to fix it. Because it's probably within the code. Oh, Jackson Plays, once I get an application up, you can submit your work with being a moderator. Pure Java is better. It is. Can I be a helper for the new server? I've had a lot of experience on old servers that had to be shut down. Only if you want. Yeah, I'll see. Maybe we'll have like moderation role, but then we'll also have a helper role, which would be like, a helper role won't have the powers of a moderator to like warn somebody, but it will be more like the helper, right? If you're a helper, you have like contacts with the moderators and like notify them of what's going on. But we'll have some sort of commands to help out a little bit. Can I be a helper? I haven't even set anything up. You're asking questions that aren't even possible at the moment. But a helper role would be a good one. But you know, I'm hoping with the sponsor server, I don't even need to like with moderators, you know. If you're being a sponsor, you're paying. You're basically paying to get on the server. So I'm hoping, you know, you think about that. You know, you don't want to be making any mistakes otherwise, because you've paid to get on. You don't want to make a mistake. It should be pretty simple not to make a mistake on a server if you're paying to get on. So that's kind of the one thing that will help out a lot. I'm hoping I don't have to ban anybody. Yay, net neutrality will stay, hopefully. I'm hoping it will. I mean, it doesn't affect... I don't know, apparently net neutrality is not a thing here in Australia. That's what I've read. Apparently it's not a thing. Net neutrality Australia. I don't know. Maybe it is a thing here. Yeah, I don't know. Alright. So... so the problem is that click method is asynchronous, so we don't actually have... we don't know if the context is closed or not. We don't know if it's closed or not. Well, we could just do... right. So if we need to go close context, we can just do dragging equals false here, right? Because like, if we were dragging something on that context, right, and then it closes, we want dragging to be false. But we gotta check this, alright, ready? If we do that, right, open that up, I guess it still works. Alright, there we go, fixed it. Nobody can overrule the doodler, nobody except for maybe you. I can just delete you. I'm pretty sure you could like change my role on the server. I don't know what sort of... I'm pretty sure you have the power to do that. Well, obviously I have access to everything else. If you have a testing server, will you guys ever add an official public server when the mod is basically finished? I don't know, because a public server is just too hard to manage. That's the thing. Like, if we have public servers, it's way too hard to manage, and I don't want to be put in that position. I don't have the time to manage a server. And even like other people, like, they don't have the time to do it properly. So I don't think we'll ever have like a public server. We'll have closed servers, but never like a public server. If someone wants to set up a public server for themselves, go ahead, do it, but I don't want to be a part of it. What mod creator software is best to use that uses Java? There's no mod creator software. You code it using a normal IDE. What I'm doing right now is what you should be doing. I'll say fix dragging remaining. We'll say fixes. That should work. Hopefully it closed it. So, you know, we can do it here. Alright, here we go. Ready? That's synced up. Oh, there we go. Close that. Bug has been crunched. Can we get a bug? Hashtag bug crunched. Hashtag bug crunched. And if you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. Snap it right in half. I unsub Cray because you won't let me on Discord or server, so you never again. Also, the dislikes on your channel are going to be me by. I'm not even gonna respond, Brian. I've said so many things. I've given you second chances. I've told you what not to do to get back on the server. The reason why you're probably off the Discord is because you said something that was against the rules. So, Brian, I've given you so many chances. Wrong? Okay. I mean, I'll consult my moderators after the live stream. I'll see what they have to say. Because you're saying you've never done anything, whereas they're telling me you've done a lot of things. So, hashtag bug crunched. Okay, every time we crunch a bug, everybody's gonna be like bug crunched, bug crunched. Bug crunch with all emojis. Bug crunched. We did have a small rendering bug. Alright, I'll have to look into that later on. That shows it's not just my apps, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be a card issue. I don't know why that's doing that, to be honest. Strange. Cut and paste onto flash drive. Ah, that's not easy. Yeah, what up, Lemons? Come here. Boom, skia! Alright, cut a file from the file browser. Paste onto flash drive, crash. Okay, I'll look into this.
Boom,
so, boom, skia! Hehe. Well, Lemon Squeezy, how you doing, dude? Welcome back to the live stream. Why has Cray been ignoring me? I've been ignoring you, dude. Why should you do a... You should do a redstone tutorial live stream. I don't know if that would be a good idea, because it'd be too hard to follow. I need my emoji when that next sponsor comes. Next sponsor comes, what do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Let's go ahead. Cray, do my bug please. The bug keeps happening, it's really annoying. Please fix it. Which one is it? Oh god,
I need
yeah.
my emoji when the next sponsor comes.
Yeet! I swear Miss Crayfish's income is literally all Lemon Squeezy's donations. Like, Lemon Squeezy, where do you get the money from? Lemon Squeezy, where's the money coming from? You must be rich or something. You must be rich or something. Why use a tutorial to build Cray's mansion when you can build it based on video footage? That's true. What mods do you use on most of your vids? Artificial Intelligence Dev. Is where all the money comes from. Okay. Is that legit? Is that legit? Is that a legit answer? It is really high paying. Oh, crazy. That's crazy. Shit. Oh, I just swore. Oh my god. That was rare. That was rare. Bye, Cray. Got to go play with Preston Plays. Alright, see you later, Brian. Hello, swear. Demonetized! Oh my god, there's like a meme that PewDiePie reviewed, and it was like... It's like Christian channel, yep. So if I upload this, it abides by the YouTube guidelines, yep. It's not gonna get demonetized? Looks like it to me. Uploads, demonetized. It's so true though. It is so true though. Let's see if I can find it. YouTube. Monetized meme. I'm not sure I'm gonna find it. It was like on PewDiePie's channel. Hold up, let's have a look. PewDiePie submissions. Let's have a look. Top past week. See if I can find it. It should be here. I think it's the past week. Past month. Can't find it. Oh no, here it is. Found it. Alright, here it is. So it's like original content. This is a family friendly.
On YouTube, demonetized.
Let it squeeze it. I'm so demonetized. This is a family friendly Christian channel, Christian content, right? Yep. And it doesn't break YouTube guidelines. Nope. Then if I publish this, it won't get demonetized. That makes sense to me. Publish. Demonetized! Oh my god. So true though. So true. I mean, it hasn't affected me. I'm quite lucky. But like, everybody else like just got... I don't know. They got flipped over. Miss Crafter, when is the gun mod released? Will you make an API for it, like the device mod? I would love to develop for it. Please notice. I don't know if I'm going to do an API for the gun mod. I don't know. It's just, it's kind of too difficult. I don't know. It wasn't my kind of vision for the mod to have an API in it. Use OBS Studio to stream to YouTube? Yeah, that's what I use. Speak about YouTube badly? Demonetized! Mr. Crayfish, when is the update coming out? Please notice this. It'll be coming out soon, dude. I'm preparing for it right now, so... Why is YouTube Patrick? I think it's in reference to the actual show as well, because he's like, yep, nope, looks good to me. It sounds like something Patrick would say. If you need a place to chill, I have a whitelisted vanilla server. Ah, that's cool, dude. I don't know if I'll ever go on it, though. But maybe I'll check it out, I don't know. The bug is the second one by Jackson Plays. It's annoying. Alright, I'll make sure I look it up. I want to check this bug here with the flash drive. I love crashes. What was that? Oh, I know where this is coming from. It's here. Hold on, let's go ahead. There was a bug I fixed. I forgot what it was. I think it was in applications. History. Fixed item list button size. We decided to do a fixed item list. What one did I do it in? Was it core? Fix bugs. Ah, I didn't actually fix that. Do that. Break away, forget your soul again. When you want to subscribe to Mr. Govish Dev, but click on sponsor, well, Mr. Govish YouTube wants me to bankrupt, so here's me money. You don't have to sponsor, dude. You know, sponsor at your own free will, guys. You know, as long as you guys, you know, you're here, you chat in the chat. You hit that like button, you got bell notifications on, and you're here for every single live stream. That is some major effort there if you're here for every live stream. Who is here for every single live stream? Who is here for every single live stream? I know Fabby50. Usually all my sponsors are here for most live streams. But who's here for, like, you know, every live stream? Every single live stream. Paint the sky. How'd this crash now? I just fixed it. It can't be a null pointer exception. Oh, let's go rebuild project. There's no way it can be a null pointer exception. Ah, sorry. If initialized. My bad. Alright, that should work now. What's next for the device mod after the App Store? Working on the settings. Cause there's a lot to it, you know, I want to add a lot of settings and options in, more config options. Let me know if you guys have any config options that you want to see. I haven't been to every single live stream, but like 20 live streams ago, I started watching whole live streams. Oh, that's awesome, Haunted Corpse. Yeah. Haunted Corpse, you're a regular. I know you're a regular. I see you in the chat all the time. I gotta do homework so I can only join for weekend streams from now on. That's all good, Noodle. You do you. I would be if the hours were better. I shouldn't even be here now because school starts in 7 hours. Damn, King Yoshi's a real one, guys. Mayor every single live stream. I try to be. Alright, there we go. Fix that problem. You make me move. Cray should have used eye block color. No! Eye block color is bad. Why would I use eye block color? Because that would color the whole entire block. Not just the wool. It would color the whole entire block. Brian, I thought you left to play with Preston. Cray, how did you feel the first time someone reviewed your mods? Oh, it was insane. I remember, like, because like my furniture mod was the one that really took off straight away, and I remember just all the big YouTubers reviewing it. Like, I've had like Dan TDM review it, I'm pretty sure. Dan TDM, like the biggest ever Minecraft YouTuber out there, reviewed it. Then I had like people, I've had the Yogscast use the mod. I've had, you know, all the big people use the mod. It's insane. So, I was excited. I was so excited when I saw like half. I was like, holy crap! Because like I was a small YouTuber back then, so like someone big with over 1 million subscribers reviewing the mod, even like 200,000 subscribers, was like a big thing for me. Look in Discord, #stream. Mr. Crayfish. Ah, yeah, that transparent terminal. What? How's that even make sense? How's that even make sense? I remember when it was released, good times. What, the furniture mod? Is the furniture mod dead now? No, it's not. It's not dead. It's still update. I still update it to the latest versions of Minecraft. It's just not, you know, don't work on it as much now. Like, it's already so content filled that I feel like it's hard to add more to it. It's hard to add more to it. And like, I'm not about like adding like really small things. Like, if I add in like a block, it's gonna be a really useful block type thing. There's probably still some things I can do, like maybe even redo a ton of the models. I might redo a ton of the models at some point. I snuck out of Cray's room last night. I stole his cheese and crackers. I sold one for 800. Oi! Bloxy, wait. You don't even know where my secret stash is. What are you talking about? My command line terminal is classic green and black, but also with HD transparency. Okay, that's cool. Add more ward types of doorbells. Yeah, probably do something like that. So, fixed up that bug. Fixed iron list crash. So the problem is copying and pasting onto the flash drive, so say create something like this. Test. I gotta fix up this bug here. That's annoying. I'm not exactly sure what caused that, but I'll look into it. Alright, so going to here, we apparently cut cut file, paste on the flash drive. I was on a test and don't know if it happens on single player. Alright. Let's go ahead. Let's pop onto let's see if this works. This might not work. We'll see if it works. It might give us an error. Yeah, I don't know what went on there, eh? You know, like if somebody sponsors right, you know, I appreciate you guys so much if you sponsor right, you know? And like, sometimes, you know, okay, there'll be chances where, you know, I don't give you a second chance because like, you know, if you just say straight up, like, you know, someone, you know, you suck, Cray, or something like that, you know, usually, you know, we don't give you a second chance or time you out straight away, but like, we gave like, he's probably still here, but Brian, we gave you so many chances to redeem yourself, and like, so many chances, more than a normal person would get, and I'm kind of, you know, I'm disappointed I had to come to that, but, you know, I don't know, RIP, hashtag why Brian, hashtag. And like, I even said, don't do this, and you're like, okay. Hashtag why, Brian? Alright, so hold on, I'm gonna try this. Oh, hey, I'm on the server. Who's on the server right now? Hello. I want to get my prefix removed. I don't like the prefix on my name. It's too long. Alright, so I wanted to test this out. Check out my refurbished plane. Let's take a look at this real quickly. I better chat in the live chat soon, like 3 minutes. That's all good to SB Joes. Thanks for coming to the live stream. Alright, so, it's a lot more plane-like now. Oh, that's cool. It's like first class all round. First class all around. Where's the first class seat? Where's the Casey Neistat first class seat? That's what we need. The Casey Neistat first class seat. Like one literal cargo like bay just for the actual first class. See you later. Did they get rid of world border? Oh no, they didn't. They expanded it a little bit. Okay. They expanded the world border. But there's a lot of things on the server. Holy shoot. Oh, that thing's a laptop. That's what it is. Ah, I was wondering what that is. What is this? The Apple Store. Oh my god. I have not even seen these guys yet. Can I have one? There's a bird sanctuary. Parrot adoption. Oh my god. How do I get one? I want one. Is it seed? Is that a red one? Just pure red. How do I pick them up? How do I pick them up? How do I pick them up? How do I pick it up? Burb Sanctuary, walk to them. Oh, they do follow me. Get on me! Oh, he's on me. Is he on me? Ah! He's on me, boys! We're out of here. Come on, boy. He just doesn't want to come. Oh no, here we go. Get on me, boy. There we go. Alright. Who said they... Someone griefed my shop there everywhere. Oh, okay. I thought they actually meant like grief. Oopsie. Am I in vanish? Whoops. It probably looked weird with me invisible and a bird just walking around. Where's my bird at? No, my guy! My boy! My boy! Got my boy. Oh my god. I don't even know who's my boy anymore. Holy shoot. Let's get out of there. Oh god. Where's my boy? Where's my boy at? There he is. Get on me. Oh my god. Holy shoot. Who actually spammed these? Oh my god. Y'all, can we get a cleanup? Clean up on aisle 1. Clean up on aisle 1, guys. Get up me. Get up there, dude. How can I get him up there? I want to put him on that actual thing there. How can I get him on there? My boy. That's my boy right there. That's my boy right there. Hold up. Get on there. That's my boy right there. I'm proud of my son. This is my son right now. He's like, welcome to Cray's Chair Emporium. We're out of stock. We're out of stock right now. Oh my god. We have an infestation right now. Alright, so let's test out this bug. Apparently we're gonna do this. Say this. Hey, that's my boy. However, slight bug. That's my boy! Get off my boy! Nah, now you ruined it. Oh my god, boy, that's my boy. Get here. No! That's my boy! That's my boy! My boy, I'm gonna... No! He's stealing him! Alright, whatever. That's not my boy. Where's my boy gone? Ah, stole my bird. Stole my bird. That was my boy. Rip my boy right now. Rip my boy. Alright. So cut. I don't know. I need, what's the full log? Ah, here we go. Full log. Set clipboard to select to file. File browser 719. Okay, so I see the problem. Alright, so that's gonna be at nullable. So all we gotta do is like a file. A file equals null. Invalid. I think it's potentially because someone moved or saved. So we should do like something like this instead, actually. Maybe we do this. We'll just say like invalid file. File. The file doesn't exist. So the file. The file you're trying to copy. There's potential that someone was using his laptop at the same time. Otherwise I'll have to get like clarification on that, Yoshi. Because I'm not sure how to replicate it. Said just to copy and cut. Sure does not. The file you're trying to copy does not exist. We should do something like this. Oh, that might not be a good idea. We don't know. We have to do that. We don't know what it is. Alright, there we go. So... break that beat back. So yeah, definitely returned a null on that. I don't know how. It's something to do with this get selected index. So like something from here, right? Somehow, you know, somehow selected index, right? This wasn't -1. Unless selected doesn't get reset somehow. Oh, okay. Selected. We need to update this. So I think it's when oh my god. Oh my god. Erupts. Oh, I think we're back. Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Yep, we're back. Hey, that's my boy. That's my boy. He's got my boy, guys. Don't place these weird... Yeah. Whatever. He's got my boy. He's got my boy. I don't know. He's got my boy, though. Alright, so it kind of crunched. We crunched that bug. You guys know what to do. You guys know what to do when we crunch bugs. What do we do when we crunch bugs? Fixed. I mean, like, it's... I don't know. Make me feel like horrible. We might even... Hold up. Alright, so the file. Then you put a null. I'll just do this. Do that. It'll work a little bit better, and then we're also gonna do where is it? Open folder, set current folder. We need to do this. Where's my selected? Oh no, let's see, it's file list. Set selected index -1. Please don't do bounds checking. Ah, okay, don't worry, that's fine. Remove all. Could even do it in here, to be honest, because that makes sense if we selected equals -1. If you remove all, you should remove the selected. What if I become a patron too? It's possible. If you actually become a Patreon, I think... Oh no. It does... In this list here on Discord, it does whatever's the highest one for you. So, Patreon... if you're on Discord, it will put you up higher. Oh no, it'll put you... sponsors is the highest on Patreon, second, regulars third. I'm still sorting out Patreon. I gotta figure out that and all that type of stuff. Because, like, it might be that... you know, the sponsor server is a Patreon and sponsor server, so it'd be the same price. So $5 is going to be the base price to get on. Like with Patreon, right, it's a little bit different because obviously you can spend more, but like $5 is still the minimum, and that's obviously still within the end user license agreement because it only costs $5 on either platform to get onto the server, so I'm pretty sure that is. Plus they're both subscription based as well, so that even they work together. They work together. But I really want to make like a thing where the whitelist is automatic. I just gotta figure out that. See you, Cray. Gotta study for midterm exams. See you later, Jake. Thanks for coming along, dude. Good luck with them. Rip After Effects. What happened to After Effects, dude? I am a Patreon. I think I can see if you're connected to it on Discord, then it will show up. Lemon Squeeze, have a look. Oh yeah, you are. It says you are. BRB. Hi, Crayfish, is my first time ever seeing one of your live streams. Thanks for coming along, Bob. How you doing? Did you fix the server yet? What do you mean? Improve. I could do. I don't know. Because like we do that. Let me have a look. Get selected index. Like we do that here as well. Cut selected file. Doesn't equal a null. So do something like that again. Trying to cut. Set clipboard file to select. So this is for it's for copying only. Isn't it cool how he does JavaScript? It's not JavaScript, it's Java. Two different languages right there. My cousin is so mad at somebody. What? Can you teach me how to make a mod by command? Not really. I mean, it's more of like a 10-part series. Doesn't matter if we use the latest or recommended version of Forge. Sometimes it can, sometimes it doesn't. I would still recommend that you just use the recommended version. Because it could be potentially that, you know, latest versions of Forge don't work with the mod. So yeah, definitely use the I use the recommended version. So right now I'm using 2.5.5.5. I'm not sure if that's the latest recommended one, but it's the one that I use. Guaranteed to work on 2.5.5.5. I love your Minecraft tutorials. Cheers, dude. Improved. Say improved. Improved. Yeah, fixed. Improved file. File browser. To crash. Less. Yeah. Improved file browser to crash. Improve file browser to fix. To fix potential crashes. It's not that it can't. It's hard to replicate it, but it's a potential crash, especially with null pointers. Most common issue ever. Most common issue ever. Alright, we'll close that one off. Alright, so where is it? Fixed. I always have to do that. Fixed in blah blah blah. You guys know how I broke my wrist and everything? Like, it's getting better, but it's still sore. It's not like... It would never be like my original wrist. It would never be like my original wrist. Oh my god. Rest in peace, my original wrist. It will never be like it, but at least it's like, you know, I've got my wrist back type thing. It like looks normal again, but it's like bent. My wrist is like bent. How did you break your wrist? Friend's dog knocked me over. So, it's such a silly thing. Let's fix this pixel painter icon that everybody's got angry about. Let's fix this pixel painter icon. Oh my god. So, how we fix that up is very simple. Here we go. Image. I think it's easy. Are we able to set the image? Huh. That bird is going along with the beat. Rip original Cray wrist. Hashtag bug crunched, my dudes. We crunched that last bug. Bug crunched. Bug crunched. Bug crunched to smithereens. Rip Cray's claw. Fix another bug and is delaying mod release. Hey, dude, we're gonna crunch bugs before we release mods. Crunch bugs before mod release. Cray, fix my bugs. The second one from one by Jackson Plays. Let's have a look. That one or this one? Oh, okay. Alright, so that's completely irrelevant. Blocks get reset to red, so this happens on servers only. So the problem is that, you know, it doesn't get, basically updating the block doesn't get, you know, synchronized correctly. So we can do something in, because I don't think there's any way to easily fix this up. I don't think there's any way to easily fix it up. I just don't know why it's doing it weird. Tile into device. Let's have a look at block. So unblock placed by, super unblock placed by. Okay. I know what the problem is. Okay, here. So what gets called first? What gets called first? Alright, so I see the problem straight off the bat. Here we go. So it gets this replacement. And places down that. Oh. Alright, so let's see what it has here. So color. Color equals orange, alright. So let's test this out on the server. Because this is the problem where it's happening. The problem is you don't have any crafting recipes for the computer. Oh no, let's not do red. So color. Huh. Yeah, place down laptops. Look. What am I looking at? They're all pink. It's like an out of order issue. Hold up. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I see the bug. Only happens sometimes. It's obviously some sort of... Yeah. I mean, this can be... Let's have a look at here. Get actual state. We can say, you know, well, in the mark block. Potentially that. Oh, what's the hell is here? Why are there barrier blocks? Get rid of the barrier blocks. Oh my god. Is that bug crunched? Is that bug crunched? I know. Dang it. I think that is right. Yeah, I don't know. So I gotta figure out where... I don't think a lot of this gets called. Ah, it does. Oh crap, hold up. Someone keeps placing laptops. Alright, nobody plays laptops. Nobody plays laptops. Alright. Nobody plays laptops right now. Nobody plays laptops. Here. Nobody plays laptop. Alright. Oh. Does it get called here? Oh, it does. Basically what's happening is the server's sending... Which it shouldn't. Let's go ahead and check. The server's sending the wrong color. So maybe device, laptop. Let's have a... we can't look at this though. Well, what color are we reading in though? What color are we reading in? How many emails does Brian have? I don't know. So the server is currently closed at the moment. I mean, like, whitelisting is closed at the moment. There is currently no way to get into the server. People are saying the sponsoring, but that's changing at the moment. That's going to be changing. Hopefully not that one. Alright, so somehow we're receiving the color red. Red. We're receiving the color red. Which is strange because that shouldn't happen. Oh. You're dead to me. So somehow we're sending that off, which is not possible. It might be that here, right, it's doing nothing. Is that doesn't get called, does it? Alright, it does. So yeah, we're getting sent the red color, but it's like, I don't know how it's doing it. It's hard to do it without being able to debug the server side. We can do this, right? This is what pros use, alright? So we're going to run an auth, and then we're also going to run a server. Then I have a nice little application here. Let's bring that, oh, wow, cool. I have a nice little application here. Hold up, blacked out the screen there. That I can simulate, you know, latency. Could simulate latency. So we can do like lag. 500. Maybe, yeah, let's just do 500 for now. There I go, localhost. See, it's taken forever just to connect to localhost. Yeah, I'll just connect it to my localhost server, it's so laggy. So we should be able to simulate that issue. Oops, let's go ahead, let's turn off breakpoints. I'm hoping we can. Otherwise, it might be just a bug with the current version. Alright, let's try. Let's go maximum testing here, right? So it's some serious stuff right here. Let's go out of order. Chance 50. Out of order. Duplicate. Drop some of them. Let's simulate maybe a potential server. Throttle. 10%. Let's not make it unplayable. Alright, so we had an issue there. Alright. Don't do too much. I think we dropped out too much. Let's get rid of the drop. Out of order. Let's do like 20. Oh. Did that crash? You want the IP address? Localhost. The IP address, guys, is 127.0.0.1. That's the IP address. Look how laggy it is, ready? There would be out of ordering over a big network like that. Yeah, it's hard to replicate all the issues. Let's just go drop. Let's go like 5% throttle. 5. We'll just go outbound maybe. And there's that time frame. Oh no, let's not do that. Yeah, it's not tamper. Let's see, times that. IP. Takes so long to set the time. Oh my god. And even become red? Oh, we glitched. Oh. Whoa. It's not good. Uh-oh. 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 It's not liking us. That's why you don't tap with the network. Out of order. Get rid of that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stop. Alright, there we go. Let's try a different color. I don't think it would do any difference, but... Alright, we're not doing anything at the moment. Start, throttle, we'll get rid of that, out of order. Oh, there we go. It's definitely just like a lag issue. It's definitely just a lag issue. Hashtag, well, it's not an overtime live stream, but technically it would be. I said I was going to do 3 hours, so technically it's not overtime if we haven't hit the 3-hour mark yet. Cray, please add Serpigle's painting you made some time ago as a Discord emoji. I posted it also in stream. Let's have a look. Oh, that one. No, that one. That one's insane. So I make like a game console? Oh, looks cool. Oh, wow. Advanced mode for calculator. That's cool. Yeah, there's a way to fix it. I think somebody fixed it though. I've crunched so many bugs. bugger. Maybe we have to simulate more out of order, but this can be very bad. Let's get rid of lag. Out of order is sometimes a better one. But this out of order happens too quick. Let's go lag, we won't drop. I need to like simulate this server exactly. So we do have lag inbound and outbound. There's about a 500 millisecond delay. If we actually have a look, we can see 300 and something. So we could do like 300. Drop. Duplicate. Not tamper. So you can see that it's working, which is cool. The power. The power of TCP networking. The power of TCP networking. Oh my god. Handles everything by itself. Let's get rid of that for a sec. That will slow it down a lot. If we have out of order, it slows it down a lot. Yeah, it doesn't like that. It doesn't like that it's out of order so much. How do you TCP network? What do you mean? Minecraft's built on TCP. Oh my god. How do you do the internal server thing? What do you mean? Get rid of that. What do you mean, how do you do the internal server thing? The thing you're doing right now to test server lag and stuff, it's simply this program called Clumsy. Is it called Clumsy? Discovered about it when I was in university. Well, I still am in university, but we had to use it for a certain task in university. I thought, oh, there we go. How'd that work? Okay, I think I might know. So it can happen on single player. or like a really good connection. But the thing is, it's not like it's just a client issue. So my first guess, the problem is I put all the color into here where it should have gone into actual device, the color. Red. Like, this is where it should be. So let's get rid of that. What errors do we get? Alright, give me that. Tag the set byte. Color.get metadata. So that's where it should be. Then what's down here? Get color. Alright, copy them. Just because I want to eradicate so if we actually want a printer, should give us some errors. Don't know why I didn't do this earlier. Literally get rid of that. Is that it? Yeah, it's not a device. Is it because the sync tag for laptops not syncing? No, it is. Cray, check Discord screenshots. I have. Someone's already reported that, I'm pretty sure. Someone's already reported that. Alright, stop the client. Yeah, stop both. So run the server. Run that. Download device mod from CurseForge. Yeah, you can do that. I should really have like the link in the description by default. Nabas Games. Hey, what's up, Nabas? Coming in with the peach emoji. Coming in with the peach emoji. Oh my god, I'm excited. Cray fell asleep and missed 2 hours of the stream. That's funny. Henley Naubers. Oops, the wrong thing. So tired. Why am I so tired? I hate that Minecraft lags when you break a block. Like, I swear it's got the slightest bit of lag every time you break a block. Some on our laptops, not enough time. Oh my god, it just turned red there. It's happening so much on this server though. Let's try no lag, out of order, 50. Should be able to rearrange them quite quickly. There we go, we got one. So it's hard to determine how, because like ready, as soon as I go ahead and we'll break an update around it, it's going to reset it. So my kind of fix is so update, and then we can say if world is remote, if world.get block state pos alright, we'll just do iBlock state equals world.get block pos state, so we're getting the block on the client. So block.state instance of block colorable. Oops. So if state dot get value where's my tiling sheet device? There it is. Block color. Doesn't equal to color dot get metadata. We'll say well dot mark block for render update pos. Then we have to make sure in laptop and that type of stuff. We are doing super.update. Oh. Super.update. So that should cycle back down through to it. Didn't really need to close off the server there, but oh well. He swore on his mum though, what? I could fly. 'Cause I can fly. I like this song. This song's pretty cool. I can't fly though. My enemy tried every possibility, ability. Is it everything just laggy? Holy shoot. Because I have a lot of laptop. Hold up. Out of order. Yo, Seb did not like me. Whoa. Everything laggy. Is it this type of... is this causing it? Ah, that is causing it. Ugh. It's not a good way to do it. Save. Block. Let's just do no instance check. Whoops. Nope. Oh my god, how do I... there we go. Okay, that's really laggy. It shouldn't be laggy though. I guess getting the value. Is there any way for us to get the color? So if we do... How can we get the color? Okay, so we can't get the color. Because the color's dynamic. So the color's determined by the device. The device tile entity. Ugh. Ripperoni. Alright, so I'm guessing, you know, getting the state. Yeah, I don't know how that works properly. I don't know, this is a difficult one to tackle. Oh. I don't know. Laptop. Alright, so maybe... Okay, maybe this will fix it, right? Lock colorable, right? Don't do this. Only set it through this, right? Ignore the stack. Only way it should set it is through here, right? Which means it still sets the color. Alright. Still sets the color. Alright. So let's go time set that. Lag. Out of order. Let's go 10%. Drop 5 of them. I know, we need to start the game. Alright, let's start that off. I hate my life? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Miss Grayfish is the best YouTuber in the world. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I don't know if I believe you there. I don't know if I believe you there, dude. Yo, why am I single player laggy? My single player server laggy. Why am I single player server laggy? Why am I single player server laggy and my server fine? Yeah, what my single player laggy? Let's get it out of order. Let's get rid of lag so I can log in straight away. Let's not do it near the water. I haven't experienced it yet. Whoa. Let me back in. Like, this is the true meaning of lag right here. Seems like we've had none of the problems so far, so hashtag bug crunched. Hashtag bug crunched, guys. Hashtag bug crunched. This mod is legit amazing, combining it with skateboard and furniture mod. This is just perfect. Hashtag bug crunched. What if Mr. Crayfish isn't the best YouTuber ever? It's just an illusion that makes him seem good. Just kidding. Or maybe this whole paragraph is an illusion. Maybe it's not even real. That one took a while. Alright, fixed. I'm just gonna say fixed. Fixed. Like, we could potentially test it on a server. I don't know if it's going to work straight off the bat here. This is true lag. This true lag. Yo, can anyone, Bloxy, help me lag this? Help me lag this, Bloxy. Go to the server and do pardon I ballistic. You're literally saying unban me. Nah. What? Oh, it's the wall of text. Where are the guys? Ah, one guy's vanished. There's Bloxy TP. Ah! He's right there. I'm right here. Alright, let's see if we can pull off this bug. Ah! How? It's because of being sent the red laptop. We're being sent the red one. Glad I didn't commit that. Hey, get out of here. Oopsie. It's one of these. There it is. Almost looks like it's that one, but it's not. Holy crap, that confused me so much. I was like, that was yellow, and these looked yellow. I was like, what? Oh, did that just happen there? I mean, it won't work for you guys, the bug fix, because I'm using a different version of Minecraft. It might be that I have to update the server as well. I might have to update the server as well with the latest version. So I'm gonna mark this, what I've done, as a potential fix. I'm gonna commit it as a potential fix because the server doesn't have the updated Minecraft version. Yeah, I know if you place a laptop, but it's like, it's more of a visual, it's a client glitch. It's just a client glitch. Everything will be fixed for every single device, hopefully, with this fix. Yeah, let's let's destroy the devices. Bloxy. Destroy them. The problem is you guys can't really test it out, only I can test it out because I've got the working version of Minecraft. Kaboom. You're done now. Alright. So I'm going to mark that as fixed. Hopefully, devices. Fixed hopefully. Fixed device. Color. Out of sync. Alright, so that should work. Ka-chinga. Alright, sync that up. Alright, so I'm gonna close Close that issue. Wait, hold up. What's that? Oh, it's not streaming. Where's my actual... Where'd that other window go? Oh, whatever. GitHub. No cheese hype today. Oh yeah, we're gonna do a cheese hype. Let's do a cheese hype right now, guys. You guys want to do a cheese hype? You want to do a cheese hype? The rules are simple. All you gotta do is post hashtag cheese hype and post a bunch of cheese emojis along with it. Pretty simple. The rules are simple. The rules are simple. You laugh, you lose. Loa. I'm going for real now. Can you just hide any old Brian Olds? You can just hide user. Remove. Oh, it's not called ban anymore. It's called hide the user. Oh my god. I guess that makes sense because it doesn't ban you from the channel. Good, I haven't done cheese hype yet. I haven't done a cheese hype yet, guys. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! Boom! You done know. Cheese, if you're a sponsor, use the actual cheese and cracker. The legit cheese and cracker. Hopefully. Alright. So there we go. We didn't fix up the pixel painter icon. The problem is, image, right? Does not work. Icon. Alright. So the problem is we don't have the ability to change the source width. We don't have the ability to change the source width, so there's a bit of a problem there. And I hate you, then find someone new. So we can just do this. Layout. Set background, new background. Render util. Draw. Draw application icon. Give me that. Render util. Here. We have to go mc.getTextureManager.bind laptop icon textures. Width height. See you later, guys. Hashtag overtime livestream. It's not overtime livestream yet. I said we're going to be doing a 3-hour livestream today, so technically I haven't gone over my actual time limit because I didn't do a livestream yesterday. I thought I, would do a. Oh, we gotta start the game. I said I would do a 3-hour livestream to make up for it, basically. So hopefully you guys understand. I gotta get food after this. I'm hungry. Oh, I'm hungry. Alright. Not fixed up yet, but hold up. Alright, plus 10. 100 by 100. Hold up. I can do the calculations here. Boom. There we go. Fixed pixel painter icon. Let's make sure that it's actually got the updated changes, because there we go. Hashtag bug crunched. Hashtag bug crunched. All our bug is crunched, my dudes. Alright, so that's gone. Fixed in. Alright, that's fixed. Villager in Bangkap. So I'm pretty sure it's to do with geostate manager to enable depth. Don't know why I'm sure it wasn't enabled beforehand, but pretty sure it should work now. So good. So the problem was that when you had this open, alright, there we go. Let's get rid of it. So there we go, yeah. Don't know why it wasn't like that before. Alright, easy. Fixed. Villager in bank depth issue. Bank render issue. Fix villager render issue in bank app. Bug crunched. We're getting bug crunched like we're getting a bug crunch just every second here, guys. I'm on fire right now. I'm on fire. They call me Fire Cray. I'm on fire right now. Custom paintings. Yeah, don't know what that is. When overwriting file, it deletes both copies. Alright. File browser. I think I know what the issue is here. So, ready. So we'll copy. Just paste it into here. Alright. So what was it? When overwriting file, it deletes both copies. Okay. So if I go back, copy, paste. No, that's an issue. Override. Alright, let's close it off. Let's reload it. Reload everything again. Might be that. Okay. Copy. Usually it could be a sync bug. Yeah, hot. I can't replicate it. Maybe it's on the server. Let's have a look. Maybe it on the server. Maybe not on the server. Bug crunched. My message got blocked. Bug crunch with an actual bug and a hammer. I like that. I like that. So let's have a look at this. Alright, so, oh my god. Copy. Paste. Oh no, it deletes the original copy. Oh no, was it? Hold up. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. When you have two files in the same, there's a dialog asking if you want to override the existing file. When you click yes, both of the files are probably cutting the image instead. Cut. Paste. Alright. So that should be gone. I don't know. Let's just check the code for cut selected file, paste, handle copy cut. So move to move to. If destination has file name. Send action. Read action. Copy cut. Alright, destination add, override. I don't know. I don't think that does it anymore. I don't know. Add. So if we add right. So it has the file right. Because if anything, right, it removes that file. You know, if it removes the file, wait, can we do like files? Okay, it can't do that. So remove the file, and then we just add it back again. Or it gets the file for that name. We got 5 minutes until hashtag overtime livestream, guys. And I think we're gonna end up the live stream there as well. I don't know why, yeah. This shouldn't return like if action boolean cart file.delete. Oh, that could be the problem. File.delete. Okay, so add. Oh no, okay. So now that makes sense. Because basically we add a copy of that file. It's a copy, remember? Complete copy. So we add that file and then we delete that file. Yeah, I don't know. It's not deleting it when I try it. Can you replicate it, Minecraft Doodler? I can't replicate it. So it should be like, have this, right? Paste. If I copied that. Hold up. Let's go cut. See, it's still there. I mean, it's gone from there because it was a cut action. Can you replicate it? How? How? I cannot seem to replicate. Just a sec. We're waiting on you, Minecraft Doodle. You're bringing the content to the live stream right now. You're bringing the content to the live stream. You can make it where when the file is copied, if you don't choose to overwrite, then add a 1 or copy. Okay, that wouldn't be a bad idea. When I re-overwrite a file, they just both disappear. Oh, I know what you mean now. Okay, so you copy, paste. I think cut, paste. Ah, okay, there we go. I wasn't sure how to replicate it. So, how does... Okay, so something like this. Windows just automatically makes a copy. So if you say cut, paste, it does nothing. So that can be prevented by, when I say handle, cut, paste, move to, alright, destination. So we can say if, we'll say if destination dot get file name equals this. Then we'll say how can I say, so when it actually pastes it, we do set drive parent okay, so response here. So regardless, we return. Here, do that. We'll say successful.
Hashtag overtime livestream.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, do nothing. Because that's basically what I'm doing. Oh, we do have a, let's see, hold up. Create success response. And then we'll say true. I'm trying to, yeah, I gotta redo my callback system a little bit. I want to get rid of this Boolean success in the parameter here, and then just rely on this type here for responses. I know we're going to have a response and MBT, I think. Bugs got crunched. Hashtag overtime livestream. Hashtag overtime livestream, guys. If you guys have enjoyed this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button, snap it right in half. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. So there we go, fix that bug. Let's test it out. I have to go onto my actual own thing. I can't wait. Yeah, you can wait. I can't wait. Yeah, I can wait. So if clipboard goes null. What's the difference between these two? Override. Ah, move to. Okay. We could do something like... We can make this code better. We can make this code better. You need to make it cut before overriding. The problem is that, no, the problem was that when you paste it into your own directory, it didn't work. It works everywhere else, it's just when you paste it into the source directory that it came from. So if we go cut, paste. Oh, we should even ignore that actually. Why isn't that working? Oh, because maybe it's a copy? Move to... Try this out. Alright, cut, paste, override. Okay, so it's something to do with... How does that not work? Same files. Oh crap, we got a super chat. Holy shit, lemon squeezy. Coming in hot again. Dude. I don't know where you get your money from, dude. I really don't know where you get your money from, but that's like the fourth time now. The fourth time you donated $100, dude. Holy shoot. Give us some hype for Lemon Squeezy right now in the chat, guys. Lemon emojis. Holy crap. That's insane. I don't... Lemon Squeezy, where do you get your money from? Because it's, I don't know, you've donated like a whole paycheck here, dude. You've donated like a whole paycheck here. Holy shit, dude. Nah, I appreciate you a lot. AI programming is big money. Where do you actually work? What company? All my money is from AI programming. Yeah, I mean, like, where's your... Who do you work for? What type of stuff do you work on? I'm interested. What type of stuff do you actually work on? I don't know, what? What do you mean you don't know? Well, you said you work with AI programming. What do you work on? I'm trying to make an AI track and scan its environment. What do you mean by AI track and scan its environment? It's like Tesla. It's like Tesla. He probably means in what field of AI you work in, Lemon. I mean, like, what do you, like, I don't know. Yeah. Like, who do you work for? Who do you work for that's giving you all that money? I don't know why that doesn't equals this, but maybe we have to use... Maybe we should use that instead. I will say, whoopsie, this. It's safer. Why doesn't that work? Does that really not equal the same? Does not get called at all. Why you know you get code? Let's reload the game. I don't know what's going on here. You're an amazing dude. There are multiple places that will give that money. Tesla and Uber. Good night, everybody. Good night, America. Goodbye, Lemon Squeezy. See you later, dude. Yeah, lol, where does he get the money? Because I ain't want any fake money. I mean, like... I don't want any mum's credit card money. You get me? Alright. Why does it do that? You work in robotics? Sort of. I make the AI for other people to put on the bot. Fix the button size for override button. I'll do it later on. I'm just trying to figure out why I ain't getting called. Might be this one. Yeah, why none of it being called? Yeah, which one's being called? What the heck? I ain't breakpointing anything. Yeah, why is nothing being called? Like, seriously? Why are my breakpoints not working, hey? Alright, here we go, hold up. Oh. So, that's why. So we need to do this differently. So we need to handle copy cut. Anyone know our mods take up 29 megabyte on Minecraft, but it says 700? Because you're reading it wrong. It might only be 29 megabytes of file size, but it's RAM. RAM's different. So mods and everything takes up more. Alright, so the problem lies within, not here, but here. So, paste clipboard file. So it lies within here. Yeah, I was right. No. So let's do that. Handle copy cut false. Alright. I'm gonna say if response.get status equals file system status dot file exists. Oopsie, that's not. We just do this. Oh no. File exists, move to we still need a handle file exists. If file exists, let's go back here. Oopsie. I want this. Oopsie, this one here. That there. File exists. Then we'll try this. Else. And then we'll say, oh, that's fine, don't worry. Because it will call that first. So we can actually do here, right? So we can do a callback. Callback. Response equals response success right. We can do this, pop that into there. Because these are exactly the same. And then I can do that. That. Just do that. Pretty easy. Let's have a look at the chat here. Sorry, I haven't been looking at it for that long. Hey Late, how you doing, Cray? Hey, what's up, vlogs? Xbox Gamer, BRB. Money bag, let's. I'm surprised you might be able to run Minecraft. I allocated 60 gig of RAM to Minecraft 1. Completely pointless. It really is. I know. I doubt you have 1 petabyte. Whoa, what's going on here? Yeah, I don't know what's going on there, eh? Don't know what's going on there, eh? So there we go. So the callback should work now. So make sure that's updated. Alright, we're gonna start the game. Hopefully this fixes it. That'd be good if it fixes it. Can we get a praise in the chat right now, guys? Praise in the chat that it fixes it. Because y'all my life support. Y'all my life support right now. You guys keep me going. You guys keep the bugs crunching. You keep the bugs crunching. The bugs rolling. Pray for Cray, thank you. Thank you, Fabby50. Praise. There's a really long lag. Hold on, let's have a look. There's a really big lag when opening up file browser. Let's have a look. Only when you start the game up. It's probably because it's loading in all the resources. Because it's going to load in those resources, it's going to load in this resource. Load in those resources, so there's a bit to it. These are already loaded. Yeah, it's mainly the icons that needed loading in. half this shouldn't even be. Skip. Okay, so this is actually, that's actually a server response. I'll show you. No, wait, hold up. Is that a server response or is that a local? Yeah, it's a local response. File browser. Oops. Let me cut, paste. Paste. Oh, oopsie, I forgot to do this. Do that. Ah! Gotta restart the game. What would happen if you loaded Minecraft on a $32,000 computer? The price of the computer hardly has anything to do with performance. Yeah. Get a good graphics. What, like, yeah, I don't know. I don't think you can even get a, like, better performance in Minecraft. It's really up to the graphics card. Graphics card and CPU. Like, my graphics card and CPU handles the game really well. 500 gigs of RAM won't do anything. RAM does nothing in terms of performance to any computer. It just allows you to have more RAM. It allows you to open up more programs. We need to make it so when you actually move it or paste it, that it actually selects it. So file browser, callback, set clipboard. So successful, say get files, file list get item, I'll say what's the current folder, get file, clipboard file dot name. Let's see, hold up, sorry. Index, get index, let's see, files list. Is there an index? How do I get the index of get? Isn't there like a get index? Maybe current folder. So current folder. What's that? Alright, so fast index of has folder, get folder. Public void index of then we'll just do return files index of file. So let's just double check. Oops, int. Null pointer exception. If file equals null, return -1. We need to do like selected file list dot set selected index current folder index of clipboard file. And then what's it? File dot equals should work. Alright, it should work. Let's go into array. I think that's how I did it. Array list, oops. By index of okay, so O equals null. Alright, so it uses actual equals. Okay, good. So let's hope that works. Null pointer exception. Null pointer exceptional. Exceptional, gotta love it. Hey Coffee, what's up? Welcome Coffee, how you doing? I'm gonna post your app soon on add-ons, hashtag add-ons real soon. Have you got the App Store banner thing up on it? Someone's creating like a terminal, which is pretty cool. I like that idea. Who's developing that? Portfolio. That'd be cool. Someone's already posted the same issue all again and again and again. If stream time is more than hours 3, Google Chrome.exit. Is there currently a way to open an app from another app? There is not. Master Chief, unfortunately not. If he's on the live stream right now. There's unfortunately not a way. So, should be a... It should have that selected. Come on. Maybe it's like reset clipboard is... yeah. Folder refresh. Synced. Okay, I get it. Boom, selected -1. So it seems that, you know, selected gets reset. According to my tests, selected gets reset. We can do this though. File equals clipboard file. Temp. Hehehehe. Hehehehe. So that should work now. Ah, why doesn't it work? Alright, try it now. Ah! It's not getting selected. It's not getting selected. It's because it's asynchronous. Dang it! Reset clipboard does asynchronous stuff, so there you go. Opens current folder. God damn it. Alright, guess I'm not doing that. Cause y'all method asynchronous. Yeah. Can't do anything about that. That's just how the file browser works. It is possible to, you know, make it so it does do it, but it doesn't work well. Unless we had like a callback on here, which is possible to do it. Callback. It just gets deep. Where does that get called from? Is that the only location? Okay. Oopsie, no, see, callback. Callback. That nullable. Say, yeah, callback doesn't equal a null. Then callback, execute. It's not a response, is it? Folder. We don't even check if that's like successful or not. Callback success. Could do something like execute. Let's just do object execute folder success. Pretty bad to do that, I'll tell you right now. But I'm not implementing. What's not being handled here? Oh. Why is this? Oh, there we go. So success 1. Do that. Alright, there we go. That should work, and if this works, then I'm going to end off the live stream right here, guys. So hopefully you've enjoyed so far. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. How many likes are we up to, guys? How many likes are we up to? I wanted to go for 70, but I'm not sure if, you know, we got to that. Oh my god, I ran out of cheese and crackers. No! The world's ending. Y'all shouldn't be doing that. Why is that doing that now? Yo. Yo. That wasn't doing that a second ago. Handle copy cut. File exists. Yo, yo. Ah, okay, so it's like a cut thing. Only works with copy. I just don't know how we would test if we've got copies of it, because you know how Windows will add like a copy of it and then do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess you would have to test the files. Ah, it still doesn't do it. It should work. Hold on, let's check. File browser, handler, copy cut. Yo, yo. Reset clipboard. Open folder, callback. Oh. There's not any synchronous methods there. I don't think. Set current folder. potentially here. Sync files. No, that's right. Callback. Execute. Actually, I don't think that's working. Reset clipboard callback. Copy. Still doesn't do it. Still selected. It's getting reset. Copy, paste, override. Yes. Apparently saying the index is 0, which is right. But the problem is that, I don't know. I'll fix this up later on. But I think I'm going to end off that stream there because I'm getting hungry right now. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this live stream today. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. Snap it right at half. We did a 3-hour live stream today, which was awesome. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do Twitter shout outs right now. Let me know what part of this live stream was your favorite. Let me know what part of this live stream is your favorite. Let's go ahead. Here we go. 17 retweets. So we're gonna shout out to Griffity, Techie Data YouTube, White Gamer 600, Michael Reichel, Haunted Corpse, Aldo, Varelli, Gamer RO, Blue Barracuda, Jacob Lane, SB Joes, Fabby50, Green Clone Gaming, Brandon Austin, Tyler756, Mr. Breach, Zoramir, and then one person did not want to be shown. Thank you guys for your support over there on Twitter. Appreciate you guys. Someone said dab on them haters. What's dabbing? What's dabbing? I don't know what that is. I really don't know what that is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will catch you guys tomorrow where we continue live streaming. Maybe we'll do some gun mod development tomorrow. Would you guys want to see that? Gun mod development. And yeah. See you guys later. Bye.